Okay, how to create folders quickly if you want to stay organized. You can have your project name and have subfolders created really quickly. Simply go into Utilities, open Script Editor, File, New, open this script, which will open the command once you set it up. You copy and paste it. So these names in here are the subfolders that it will create. And you can change those subfolders or add folders if you want, as long as you keep the formatting the same. So once you do that, you go File, Export. I'll go into Editing, and then I'll save it as a app folder creation 2025. I'll save it. And now this app here, double click, type your project name. I'll say hiking. Click OK. Save into your test production folder. Click OK. And now you see you've created a hiking project, or whatever your project wants to be. This is very helpful if you are a busy editor, production supervisor, and you want to keep all your projects organized congruently. Easy to find projects. You can go back years and find what you need depending on how you set it up.